Standard First. Subject English. Chapter Let's Talk. Hi children. Today we are going to talk with the help of these pictures. You will see some pictures on the screen. Let's talk about what the children are doing. This is Ria. Ria is drawing a picture. This is Raj. Raj is reading a book. This is Max. Max is playing football. This is Ruhi. Ruhi is sleeping in the bed. This is John. John is singing a song. This is Ali. Ali is swimming in the pool. They are Priya and Prasad. Priya and Prasad are going to school. Children, isn't it simple to talk in English? Let's add some more simple sentences. This is Arun. Arun is dancing on the mat. This is Lakshmi. Lakshmi is riding a bicycle in the park. This is Geeta. Geeta is playing with a dog. This is Gopal. Gopal is doing his homework. Children, keep on repeating these sentences again and again.